Shade, Damola, Bumi.
Where in God's name did these girls go to? And to think of it, this is the morning of my birthday. No happy birthday. No breakfast in bed. Nothing whatsoever. Don't know where they went to, but I might as well get my breakfast myself while I wait for them to return. Not a bad idea. Not the kind of morning I hoped for. Let me get some work done. I really need to update the site. This tiny card for me. Wow. Shows the amount of love in the air. But at least it shows that they remembered. Wait a minute. Or did I do something wrong?
Hey, pardon me. You are the person I needed to speak with today. Everybody forgot me.
Oh, really? Why?
I don't know. You know, today is my...
Hey, about today. See, pardon me, I need your help. I need to borrow some money. Do you know that my aunt, for me, she's kind of ill and everybody's reaching up to me for help. In fact, I'm her last hope.
Oh, okay. That shouldn't be any problem. But Kunle, aren't you forgetting something about today? Yeah, I mean, aren't you supposed to tell me something today?
Oh, yes. Sorry. So sorry. I forgot to tell you. That really means a lot to you, I know. Even as my friend and as a businessman. Okay, I will pay you back. I know that's what you wanted me to tell you. How can I forget that?
Well, you remembered.
No, how can I forget that? So, should I come over to the place later to collect the cash? Subo.
Yes. You can come over. You can come anytime you like.
Okay. Alright then, bye.
Bye. Even Kunle forgot my birthday. Today is the 25th. 3 days after the 22nd. A day after my graduation. Or am I forgetting the date? I'm correct. Hey, Philip, my guy. You didn't call all this while. Since last week. Do you know today is my birthday? Yeah. Oh, you forgot. Yes, it's my birthday. You didn't know? Oh, you also forgot today is my birthday? Ah. Okay. Yes, buddy. It's my birthday. No, now. I'm not 50 yet. That's in some years to come. You're traveling? Safe journey.
Simbi, pardon me. What's happening?
I'm fine.
Yeah. So, how about the package?
What package? I didn't see any package. Did you send anything?
Simba, what are you talking about? The package, the money I asked you.
Oh. Sorry. I think I'll have to go and use the ATM. Or if you can wait till Monday, I'll write you a check if you're not in a hurry.
Simba, how can you forget? I told you I need this money and it was really very, very urgent. I hardly forget anything that is important about you. You know that?
Oh, really?
Yes. Is there anything you've asked me before and I forgot? I hardly forget anything at all that is about you.
Yes. How about my birthday?
Yes. How can I forget 25th of September? Or is today...
And you were saying...
Sorry, I forgot. You know, with the whole stress and this hospital wahala. See, I had to borrow money from a man. And that's why I need a loan from you so that I can pay him back.
Good morning, Uncle Kunle.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine. Yeah. Uncle, breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Damola. Kunle, I would need to go and have my breakfast. Or you care to join me. But there is pepper in it.
Yeah, enjoy yourself. You know I don't like pepper.
Oh, I remember. It's a season of forgetting.
Sumo, I said sorry. Okay, you know what? I'll make it up to you. I promise.
That's okay. Let me just go and have my bath. I'll meet you in the living room. Okay?
Okay. So, are we okay?
Yes, we are.
Sure.
Would you like anything to drink, sir?
Yes, water will do, thank you.
Okay, a glass of water coming right up.
Okay, I'll be in the living room.
Okay.
Thank you. But the boy, me shirt, right?
Yes, I felt since no one is celebrating my birthday for me, I might as well make myself happy.
Well, something can still happen.
Coming from you, you might as well say Santa Claus is real.
You never know. I believe in Santa Claus.
You mean Father Christmas?
Whatever.
Yeah, let's go get what you came for.
All right then.
Wow. Dad, you look good. Where are we going to? Thank God I'm already dressed, so.
My forgetful friend, myself, are going out. Besides, it's not for children.
Come on, Uncle. Sounds like we're being punished.
Punishment is an understatement. Kule, we better start living.
Okay.
Daddy. Daddy. Bye, Dad.
Bye.
Sumbo, why is the way dark?
I don't know.
On the light.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, so now do you believe in Santa Claus?
Yes, Kule, I do. And you guys really got me. You really did.
So, Uncle, make a wish.
How did you? The cake. How did you get the cake? I thought you were at the village on a visit to your family.
Yes, I was. I got back this morning. But you should have known something was up when I didn't call or text.
Well, I knew the network in your village was epileptic. Because I tried calling you all day yesterday. Wow.
And for the cake, a friend of mine owns Cakes and Kisses.
Really? Thank you guys. I love you all.
We died.
Nice small cup.
That's it. No.
Come here.
Okay.
Cheers, Daddy.
Cheers.
Daddy.
Long life and prosperity.
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray.
Now, for some hugs.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Okay, so what do I do now? A hug?
No.
he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow.